The fat lips. Fashion Paaaallleeeasse. Blood red velvet cupcakes. The lady punchers. Knee scrapers. The Kathy Bates in Misery team. The blood stained. The wrist garters. Rosie the knockout artists. Brakeless Endangerment. Taco kickers. 8-wheeled assassins. The thigh crushers. The Janes. The bow throwers. Pearl jammers. Cockblockers. The Scissor Sisters. Ease of destruction. Spandexodous. Toxic Cherries. The baby makers. Space jammers.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.